Hello, I'm Tanner Aherin with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by IMI Global, third-party verification and value-added services you can trust. Labor Day is typically known as marking the end of summer. For the beef industry, this is the final demand push for a couple months until the holidays later in the year. This year certainly lived up to that theory as the composite cutout actually beat early expectations. The spot cutout rallied to a daily high on August 27th at $228.85 a hundredweight. As the Labor Day buying wraps up, the cutout is usually pressured, and this has already begun. On Thursday, the cutout was quoted at $224.76 a hundredweight, as choice boxes have given up $4.30 and selects lost $1.76. There is still more risk to the cutout, with expectations of finding a seasonal low in the $200 to $210 a hundredweight range. In the cattle markets, the negative psychology and the recent break in futures pressured most classes of cattle. In the north, fed cattle traded at mostly $102 to $103 a hundredweight live and $162 to $164 dressed, which was $2 to $5 lower than last week. The South lost $1 to $4 as most cattle traded at $102 to $104 a hundredweight. Fed prices could be weaker on average next week, but should find strong support after that as the cattle feeder gains leverage over the packing segment. Feeder cattle were steady to $5 lower this week. However, the feeder market still has potential to reach $150 a hundredweight into the fall, basis the CME feeder index, which is roughly $10 higher than current levels. Calves traded mostly $1 to $4 softer, with the U.S. average 550-pound steer price coming in at $155.87. In August, the slaughter cow market began the seasonal break with expectations of trending to a fall low. This week's U.S. average utility cow price was $65.23 a hundredweight, which was nearly $2 higher than last week. Looking ahead, the cull cow market should be well supported at $50 to $52 this fall. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.